Hey man, we're back with another video, and if you're wondering why my voice is so deep and bass heavy, I'm not trying to imitate anything or speak this way. It's just that I still have some cold, and also in between I had a slight sore throat. So hence this deep and bassy voice. I think next time I fall sick, I'm gonna record some songs because I'm really enjoying this voice. Generally only in the morning times I have this kind of voice, but right now it's 24/7, so that's fucking dope. Anyways, man, I wanted to address this topic around just spreading hate and hating on a person for, well, a person will have their own reasons while they're hating. That is understandable, but if you're hating, I feel like, you should at least have some context. If you're just hating on a person based on your assumptions, that's pretty stupid base for you to start your hate on. If you have some right, solid info or at least some understanding, and then you hate on top of that, okay, it makes sense. But, anyways, either ways, it's your choice how you want to hate. At the end of the day, hating is obviously something which is stupid, and I obviously do not stand for it because I would not want anyone to hate me, but me saying that does not stop people from doing what they're doing, anyways. The reason I'm going into this topic is recently, just today, a lot of shit was being thrown at me for absolutely. Actually, yeah, I can understand why they threw all that shit at me, but at the end of the day, I feel like if you're hating on somebody, just blindly hating makes no sense if you ask me. If you really look into some context of it, or if you're going on hating and the other person is giving you some context of why that entire thing has happened, the only reasonable thing from the other person's end is to just analyze, does what this person say, what this person is saying doesn't make any sense, or is it just some stupid shit that this person is blabbering. So if you're hating and if there is some context that the other person is throwing out, you don't have to agree. All you have to do is listen. Maybe your opinion might change or your opinion won't change. Either ways you can do what you want, but maybe hearing out the other person will really solve that entire situation. Not solve as in the hatred is gone. Maybe your hatred might lower because you might get a new perspective. And at the same time, people receiving hate, well, if the person's hating without any reason, obviously they will be frustrated. I was frustrated too, although the hate was not much, it was just from 8 people or so. I tried giving my point to it, but apparently it did not follow through. It seemed like I was just defending myself to them. So, I just stopped responding. But that's the point, man. If you're hating and the other person's giving you a certain answer as to why they said something or why they did something, if you're not willing to listen, if you're not even willing to listen to the base concept or the point the other person is saying, I don't know what to say, really, to be honest. And to be very honest, a lot of hate comes from people who are really unhappy within or just frustrated in general. Due to their own internal reasons, they just project it onward somebody else, and then they just go on hating. The reason I'm saying this statement is because a lot of times I've observed this happen with me. Whenever I was feeling frustrated or unhappy inside, I would just go shout, or hate on. I wouldn't hate. I would, my general projection goes into anger. I would just go shout on, mostly it's just my family members. Then I would realize it's just a projection of my hate because I was feeling frustrated or angry inside. So I would go back. I would really go back to them and say sorry. At that point, I was so and so. So that shit came out of my mouth. So yeah, man. I just wanted to put out a video around this topic about hate because I received that a lot today. Not that I've never received that. I think I've made videos before earlier on the same point because if you really go back to my videos, at some point I dropped a video on this, and most likely when I dropped, there was shit ton of hate thrown at me, and yeah, this shit just happened today. Like random people going on and on and on. Oh my god, dude, I can understand. I honestly cannot understand what these actors and these top celebrities feel like, because you know the amount of hate that they get is so fucking insane. Man, me getting this hate from 8 people, I was like, oh fuck, bro. It is so exhausting mentally. You know, I had to literally mute a lot of people so that my mind will calm the fuck down. But these celebrities, God knows how they're fucking dealing. They're doing a crazy fucking job at it. But all things aside, this fucking month, MNV is, you know, at the moment we are billing 2.6 lakhs, and we're expecting to bill another 1.2 by the end of this month. So that's fucking crazy. We had a lot of website work, a lot of website rechanges work happening this month. So that's a fucking crazy sign of what services in demand for the market. But starting next month, Jan 2022, motherfuckers, ha, you have no fucking clue. You have no fucking clue. And these people who, you know, fucked with me mentally with their fucking hate, oh, that was exactly the fucking fuel I required. You know, I was kind of getting into the zone that, yeah, Suraj is scaling, elevating, but after this fucking hate scenario which happened, all my head is thinking of is, we've got to take this shit to another fucking level. Nobody can imagine what the fuck is gonna happen. Oh, bro, they got no fucking clue, and that's one of the fucking main reasons why I said industry. Yeah, we gonna flip the scenes. Everybody gonna know Raya Prolu in the game, bro. Friend of me, nah, you ain't friend of me. You just standing on the sideline just in case I blow up, though. So you know, it all fucking makes sense. Think of it like this: I'm predicting my fucking future. I'm the fucking future. Wait for it. You'll see it manifest. And we don't sit and just manifest like that. We put the fucking actions, we put the fucking work. And it's not just me solo working, it's my fucking team. When I'm elevating to a fucking level, it's the entire team which is gonna elevate. So, you know, wait for it. Wait for it.